How to make a playlist on Spotify. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in this guide video I'll show you the way as to how you can actually create a playlist on Spotify. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now first of all, just make sure that you have either downloaded or updated the Spotify app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your respective app store, in the search box typing in Spotify, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you have updated the Spotify app, I want you to go over and then simply open it up. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account, and after you are logged in, well, you can basically see that this is how it is going to look like. In order to create a playlist on Spotify, it's very simple. First of all, just come to the Your Library button from the bottom right. Once you tap on the Your Library icon and come to this page over here, you have to just tap on the plus icon which you see on the top right corner. Once you tap on the plus icon over here, you'll find the option called playlist. So since we are learning to create a new playlist, just tap on the playlist button which you see. Now the very first step is to simply give our playlist a name. So I'll just go ahead and then do that as well. So once I've entered the playlist name, I'll just tap on the create button. As I tap on the create button, so now the next step is to add songs to this playlist. Now all we can do is you can see some of the recommended songs which you can choose from. Just tap on the plus icon next to it in order to add those songs to our playlist. But let's say that while you are browsing through Spotify and then you find a song that is of interest to you and you want to add that song to your playlist, then just tap on the three dots next to that song, select the option called add to playlist, and just select your playlist over here, and it will successfully be added to that particular playlist. And this is how you can go ahead and then add songs to your playlist as well as create a playlist on Spotify. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, then make sure to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.